Hi, welcome to the Simple Logistics channel. Today we are going to talk about the surge in the prices of raw materials and how reverse logistics play an important role into overcoming that problem. So first, let's discuss the surge of prices in raw materials in general, especially commodities like metals, um, copper alloy, aluminum, steel. These prices have gone up these last few months, especially because of the several countries' programs for economic recovery, for rebuilding infrastructure, for investing into new logistic infrastructure. So all these building activities, they require more materials like steel, like cement, like all the other commodities that we see out there. Also, there is the consumer behavior changes. So with the pandemic, people started buying more online. They are using more, food deliveries, these kind of things. They're ordering more online, and these uses more packaging material, especially cardboard, plastic, and so forth. So all these materials, all these raw materials, these prices have gone up, and there is still some upward pressure for these materials. This is a good thing for recycling. So it's more economical now to recycle these materials. There is a bigger incentive for companies to look into alternatives of using recycled material, of creating reverse logistics for supplying their own raw material, reusing these materials in their supply chain. So this gives an economic boost to those efforts. Not only the environmental aspect of it is very important, but now companies are also looking into it because of these surges into the raw material prices. So it's less economical to mine, raw material off the ground than it is to recycle it. So we are going to see more and more companies getting involved into these efforts to recycle, to reuse, to create kind of a circular economy that has been discussed for years and now is getting off the ground. So I think the pandemic has accelerated those efforts. It's a good thing to see these changes into the way that we produce goods, are coming into play. There is also some regulatory changes, especially in Europe, requiring companies to manufacture goods that are more easily repairable, that are more easily dismantled for recycling. So there's several pressures from legislation, from the economic side. They are coaxing companies into this direction of establishing, a kind of cradle to grave approach to their products and establishing reverse logistics to bring these products back for recycling at the end of their life cycle. And I think that is really something good and something we should all strive to and all try to do in our business, in our companies. Okay? Thank you. Bye.